Oh, yan.
Thank you so much kay Kim, JC, Jason, and Charles.
Yeah.
Thank you guys! Thank you! The best kayo sobra!
Thank you so much.
Thank you
And
so
of course,
much.
thank you po sa Gawad Music Awards.
Yes.
For this 2014 Teen's Choice Award, the most promising new all-female performing group. Thank you so much po for this award.
Yung lahat po ng pagod na ginawa namin, every rehearsals, every shows, at least po may award na po kami na may papakita sa'yo na ginagawa po talaga namin ng buong efforts.
At syempre, din sa lahat, thanks kay God.
Yes!
Ituloy ko na itong gift niya kasi sa birthday ko.
Yes!
And thank you po sa manager namin, Sir Vic, sa Fab Events Production, and sa lahat po ng tumulong sa amin.
Syempre, sa hair and makeup namin.
Yes.
Miss talaga.
Yeah.
Miss Kayla.
Stylist
na po namin.
Yes.
Kay Daryl Bautista.
Yes, thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
And support Blackpink Dance po. Yan, please patuloy niyo
Yes po.